We are currently at the stall of Manav Marketing. Today is 17th August. Exactly this day, 32 years back, Manav Marketing was formed. SK Madhavan founded this company and today they have successfully completed 32 years. So let's join into their celebrations.
Today we are celebrating 32nd anniversary of Manav Marketing. This company was started in 1992 by our MD Mr. Sk Mahadevan with a team of only 5 people. Okay, now we have a team of 70 people and around 5,000 machines in South India with the 10 plus brands of imported machines serving to many customers. Okay. Naveen Mahadevan is here. He is there. He has put more potential and increased the value and also the volumes for the company. Yes, he is also here. He will also have his words for here.
Thank you all for being here. First of all, I would thank my entire team of Manav Marketing, starting from the service team. It's because of you people that we have been able to retain the customers, and also the senior management team and application team of Manav Marketing. And I extend also a great thanks and congratulations to the team and with the partners who are working with us, like Jagdeep, Nakamura Tome, HIMTEX and Shemar and Haas, of course. So it's been a great journey, 32 years, and it's not been very easy and a lot of challenges we had to face during the way, and I'm sure there will be many more as we grow. And I dedicate this success to our customers who have stood with us during the challenging times and also who have demanded the best out of us and keep us going every single day. Thank you.
It's really great to be a part of this celebration. It's not an easy thing to run or maybe grow a company till so long time with a constant success rate. So really congratulate whole team of Manav Marketing, and especially all pillars, major pillars like Jambunath sir, Reddy sir, who has taken on their shoulders so long, and we learned a lot from them. So thank you, and I wish many more success to the whole team. Thank you so much.
Okay, hello everyone. This is also my honor to join with this team to celebrate this 32 years anniversary. Actually, next year also Shamir is going to the 50s, so I think I can feel the same. Yeah, I'm also very grateful I can participate in this show and hold success to everyone. Yeah, not only us, for everyone. Thank you.
I just want to congratulate Manav on the 32nd anniversary. It's a great achievement. Like they've said, it has its ups and downs in business and it's tough at times, but to get to 32 years is just an amazing achievement, and I'm looking forward to the 40th and the 50th and the 60th to celebrate all these with Manav.
We are here at Manav Marketing booth to celebrate 32nd anniversary of the company. This company started in 1992 by SK Mahadevan with a big vision, and then today with this exhibition and this show, we can see this vision is really come through. They have multiple solutions available in the market, like their machining centers from Haas, then they have multitasking machines, they have tooling solutions, and they have certainly many more options to offer to the manufacturing industry. So we congratulate Manav Marketing on their 32nd anniversary.
Now it is not just celebration time, it is also to see that how tasty this cake is. We wish Manav Marketing to celebrate more successful years in the coming time.